So melanoma can, by the way, certainly occur in healthy skin. Um, all of us have some pigment, some. Most of us have freckles, or the word is nevi. And there's nothing unhealthy about having a nevus. I mean, I have plenty of nevi on my skin, and my skin is fairly healthy, although I've spent a fair bit of time in the sun. I grew up by the beach as a kid. But in a nevus, you have pigment cells. It is a collection of pigment cells. That's what a freckle is. And they develop early in life, and they sort of grow a little bit. They get more pigment than the surrounding tissue, and then they stop because they're normal, healthy skin. They're subject to normal growth controls. Within those pigment cells, if there is a series of events generally induced by exposure to the sun, there could be other environmental events that occur, or just bad luck, things will change. There will be genetic changes, and all of a sudden there will be loss of the normal control mechanisms that make the freckle stay in place. When you develop a freckle, it develops, and then it's there, and it's going to be there for the next 50, 60, 70 years. It doesn't grow. The cells don't proliferate. Something can make those cells proliferate, some genetic change. And that's why melanoma can then develop in what otherwise was perfectly healthy skin. And in our business, we always feel that about half of all of the skin melanomas will develop in what was felt to be a freckle. And you can even see it when you do the biopsy. You can see the normal freckle and then the melanoma right within it. The other half develops out of the blue. The Latin word is de novo, anew. And in February, there was nothing there. In March, all of a sudden, you saw this dark brown thing that looked a little bit different than a freckle. So yes, there can be pigment cells that are inapparent to the eye that become abnormal, and they can transform, as we call it. It's kind of like transformers. They can transform and become a melanoma just like the cells within the freckle.